Good afternoon and welcome aboard. Done deal. A beautiful 420 Sea Ray Sundancer with the blue hull, full fiberglass hardtop, large fixed swim platform, plenty of storage back there for cords, hoses, fenders, lines. 420s have these great big cockpits, nice wraparound seating. The cushion lifts off on the other side so you can board from that side as well. The engine room access is great in these. There's that huge hardtop that makes all the difference from the earlier Sea Rays. Entertainment center with refrigerator and wet bar. Nice big companion seat. Captain's chair. Some of the great features of this particular Sundancer. These are the 480 Cummins. You have autopilot and bow thruster, as well as chart plotter and radar, and a Sea Ray navigator. Stainless steel windshield. Isinglass is in decent condition, all see-through. Notice the teak stairs. Nice feature of this particular boat. The dark countertops, the stainless microwave, flip down TV. Another nice feature is a separate refrigerator and freezer, not just one. There's the TV, it's almost down. And of course the sink and the 2-burner stove are covered up. Nice mirror. All the door frames are trimmed in real wood. All the finishes are in great shape in this boat. Pull-out couch to sleep people out here. The master's forward in a 42. A nice big berth. These are the curtains for the aft of the boat. Storage along both sides. And a separate television and DVD player for in here. The toilet and the shower are in totally separate rooms in this boat. Both rooms have opening vent windows. The shower kind of contains a lot of life jackets right now, so it's a little hard to see. But it's a nice big fiberglass lined stall shower. Coming to the mid cabin, there are privacy doors to close this all off. What you're looking at there are clear carpet runners rather than the cloth ones if you're having some work done or you're in a dirty location. There's that huge bow pad kept out of the sun. And all the cockpit carpets have been replaced. They're the nice gray backing ones, and everything's soft and supple and in good shape. That's going to finish this tour of this 2005 Sea Ray 42 Sundancer.